All right, Andre, so here's what's going on with the conundrum that is product stock level management. So let's see. So all this stuff's all good. I did change this date just so I could see how that was appearing on the front end. So everything was fine that you had here, and when we get down to the product, so there are a couple things. So in the general tab, no, actually it's in inventory here. Okay, so this checkbox where it says enable stock management at product level, that will allow you to set the management of the stock, as you can see here. So it would be for all of your variations. So as it reads here, stock quantity, if this is a variable product, this value will be used to control stock for all variations unless you define stock at variation level. So if we check this box and then we set it to be, let's say 5, then that means that either the extra small, small, medium, large, whatever it is, it will just count them all together as you having 5 total shirts. So if someone orders 5 extra large, then that would wipe out the stock for the entire product. So you don't want to do this. So we're going to uncheck that. Then we're going to jump down to variations. Now in the variations, so we'll look at extra large, for example, or actually I changed that one, so we'll look at one that wasn't. So let's look at extra small. So you have it right now, it's set as out of stock, and this button here for manage stock isn't checked. Let's see if that, yeah. So what we're going to want to do is we do want to manage stock at this level. We want to change out of stock to in stock, and then we want to change the amount. So let's say you have 5 of these. We want to put that quantity there. And for extra small, or for small rather, we want to do the same thing. So manage stock is checked. We need to check here that it's in stock, and we need to give it a quantity. Okay, so for the sake of just showing you how this works, I'm going to save the changes that we just made. I'm going to go up here, and we have to update the product itself. Okay, we'll jump back into the front end, and I'm just going to refresh this page, although that's going to refresh the cart action. That's fine. So let's go down to, okay, so if I choose extra small, I think we set something for extra small, didn't we? It could very well be that this hasn't started yet, so let's go back and let's change the date again to a prior date, and let's update. There we go. Okay, so once this updates, I'm pretty sure this now is going to be working fine. It was before, so I'm just going to go ahead and refresh this page. There we go. Okay, so now the fact that we do have some quantity, you can see here it says 5 in stock. If we choose extra small or small, whichever one I updated, yeah, it looks like I just updated small. So you can see here now that small has 5 in stock. We can choose how many we want, and we can pre-order them. They go into the cart. Okay, and now if I go back down here and I try to choose 4 again, let's see if it, yeah, so it says you can't add that amount to the cart. We have 5 in stock and you already have 4 in your cart. So everything's working. It's just the issue was that you had stock level management on for the product itself, which meant that, again, whatever number you assign to that, that would mean that that's how many of those shirts you had, counting all of them. So basically that would be like if you hadn't made them yet and you were going to make 20, and after 20 you weren't going to take any more orders. So that's how that works. So you just got to manage the stock for at the variation level is what they call it.